If your house smells bad, here's a quick and simple way to clear it up. You can make your own air filter. This filter will help you pull all kinds of toxins from your air and can even help reduce mold. To have a mold problem, all you need is a really small water leak somewhere in your house. And did you know that mold can contribute to itchy eyes, headaches, depression, and impaired immune system? And even if no visible mold is detected in your house, it can thrive behind your walls, under your floors, and in your air ducts. So why not be preventatively guarding against it? And all you need to do that is some activated carbon. The stuff I use is sold for aquarium filters, but they're perfect for using in your very own air filter. And you can do this in two ways: the super easy way and the cooler way. The super easy way to make an activated carbon filter is to get some strong magnets and a little cloth bag. If you don't care what it looks like, you could even use a sock. And all you have to do is put your activated carbon rocks into your bag and then place these bags wherever there's good airflow. So you can stick them on your air intake to your HVAC or on any of your vents where it's pushing air out. The air will pass through your filters, helping to pull smells and toxins and molds into it. It's that super easy. But the cooler way is to build a small unit that draws air into itself that you can move from room to room and have it wherever you need it. What you need is a small fan, a large container of activated carbon, and a pair of scissors. All you have to do is take a large container of activated carbon rocks and poke holes in all four sides of the container. Safety first. Make sure there's no children around you and don't cut yourself. If it's too tough for you to use the scissors, you might use a power tool. Then you want to open the container up and find a fan that will fit the small container. If the smallest fan you have is too big for that, then you can go ahead and try cutting the top of your container open, but the less you have to cut it, the better. As you can see, my USB fan fits perfectly into the mouth of this jar. If you like, you can decorate your jar in any which way that you want, but whenever that fan is on, the air is drawn in and all the toxins and mold that's in the air get totally trapped, so the only thing coming out of the container at the top is fresh, clean air. You'll notice that smells just disappear once you start using activated carbon to clean up your air, and you might want to re-scent your house with something good after you've removed all the bad. If so, check out my green tip video on aromatherapy. So be sure to clean up the air in your home today. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.